Hi, my name is Leanne. Today I'm going to be making a handmade wreath. So I went into this project knowing I wanted to make a fall-themed wreath for my mom. I ended up grabbing different items that I had mainly from the dollar store, aside from that hoop that I got from Amazon that's 12 inches. And I just put it all on the table, so as I was creating the wreath, I could just easily grab different items that I think would look good together. I use a combination of glue and thin metal wire to secure the items to the hoop. A lot of the flowers and greenery that I got was from the dollar store, and all I did was buy them in the bunches, and I cut them down into smaller sizes, and I also made sure to keep all of the stems and greenery just in case I needed them for another project. Because I have this thing with not always planning exactly where I want to put things as I'm creating them, I end up just putting the flowers and the different items that I add to the wreath just on top of the actual wreath without adding any of the wire or glue, and that way it gives me the ability to move the items around as I build up the wreath. These are a few items that I was considering adding to the wreath, but chose not to. add a little shine to the piece, I ended up attaching this little gold painted wood cutout to the wreath by using some gold cord that I had. I just glued it to the back of the word blessed and then just tied the ends onto the hoop. So you might notice there's a random bow that's all of a sudden on the table. That's from a previous project. I ended up putting that at the top part of the cord, so just to add something decorative to it. I wasn't really happy with the middle being pink, so I ended up putting a red ribbon over top of that pink. I think it ended up looking good in the end. And this is it all done.